Hello, dear students. I welcome you all to my channel. So, I have a video for you today on a new topic arithmetic progression. So, before we proceed to the questions from the exercises, so first of all, you need to be some introductions regarding the chapter. So, there are some terms. First is sequence, then AP means arithmetic progressions, common difference, general form of AP, nth term, and some of the first nth term of an AP. First is sequence. What is a sequence? So sequence is the arrangement of number in a definite order. According to some rule. So when the numbers are arranged in a particular order, then that is called the sequence. So next is AP, arithmetic progression or arithmetic series. AP is a sequence of number. So it is the sequence of number in which each term increase or decrease regularly by a definite constant term or constant number. So this constant term or number is called the common difference. This constant term or number is called the common difference of AP, any arithmetic progression or the series. In other words, an arithmetic progression is the sequence of number or is an arrangement of the number in such a way where the first number is given, first term is given, and each term is obtained by adding a definite constant term in the preceding term. यानी AP जो है अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन जो है इस तरीके का अरेंजमेंट होता है जिसमें एक टर्म स्टार्टिंग एक टर्म दी होती है और उसके जो नेक्स्ट टर्म जो हमें ऑब्टेन करनी हो तो उसमें एक पर्टिकुलर डेफिनेट नंबर रेगुलरली जो उसमें ऐड किया जाता है और जो डेफिनेट नंबर उसमें ऐड करता है उसको बोलते हैं कॉमन डिफरेंस फॉर दैट अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. The next is common difference or the D. So what is common difference? The difference between the two successive terms of an AP is called the common difference. So difference between two successive terms of an AP arithmetic progression is called the common difference. That always comes to be equal, and that is denoted by D. We denote the common difference by the symbol D. So the first term of an AP is usually written as denoted by A, common difference by D, and the last term of an AP is denoted by L. So these are some general denotion for the letters, that is A for first term, D for common difference, and L for last term of the AP. So if A is the first term, and D is the common difference, of an AP, then A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D plus A plus 4D is a general representation of, is a general form of an AP. So here A is the first term and D is the common difference. So we write the AP in the form of A into A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and A plus 4D. The successive terms are written in this form. So D is always added to the preceding term, and that is the common difference. That is a constant difference which is added in the preceding term. So that is called the general form of the AP. So how D is calculated? So D, or the common difference, is given by A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3, or AN minus AN minus 1. So where N stands for the number of the term. जैसे यहाँ पर A1 means first term, A2 means second term. So second term minus first term, yes, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term. So that always comes equal, that is always equal, and that is called the common difference. The common difference of the AP. If in general for a sequence, for a given sequence, AN plus 1 minus AN is always equal. Always equal, then the given sequence of number represent the AP. यदि हमें कुछ नंबर्स दिए गए हों और उनको अगर हम इस तरीके से बारी बारी से कैलकुलेट करके देखें कि an+1 - an, the preceding term is subtracted from the succeeding term and the difference always comes to be equal, then the sequence will be known as the AP. The nth term so nth term of an AP, so for given n is the number of the term, so for the given AP we have to find, if we want to find the nth term, so if nth term of an AP with the first term A and the common difference D is given by the formula, so an is given by formula A plus n-1 into D. Here the A is the first term and D is the common difference, and an represents the nth term of the AP. So this is a formula for the nth term of AP. Then the sum of the first n term of an AP. So how can we find out the sum of the n term of an AP? So if there n is number of terms, so Sn will be given by n/2 into A plus L. So where A is the first term and L is the last term. And represent the number of the terms. Also another formula here for Sn, n/2 into 2A plus n-1 into D. So A again first term and number of term, D is the common difference, so that is a formula for the sum of the n term of an AP. So these were the some introductory term which will be used during the solution of the questions from the exercises. तो वो मैंने आपसे डिस्कस किए कि इन चीज़ों, इन फार्मूलों की, इन टर्म्स की हमें इसमें एक्सरसाइज में ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. सो इसलिए वो आपको पहले इसके बारे में क्लियर होना चाहिए. सो नाउ वी टेक द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइजेस. The question is, in which of the following situations does the list of number involved make an arithmetic progression and why? I have written here 3 statements. First is taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is ₹15 for the first kilometer and ₹8 for each additional kilometer. Second part, the amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Third part, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when it costs ₹150 for the first meter and rises by ₹50 for each subsequent meters. So I have written here statement for 3 parts of this question. So the statement is given here. So we have to find the list of the number, and that list of number, does that list of number make the arithmetic progression or not? If that is AP, so why that is AP? So first of all, let us take the first part. The first part is taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional solution. So according to the question, the fare of taxi for 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer and 4 kilometers, so on. So that will be rupees 15, rupees 15 plus 8, that is rupees 23, then rupees 15 plus 2 into 8, that is rupees 15 plus 16, that is rupees 31. So next is rupees 15 plus 3 into 8, so rupees 15 plus 24, that is rupees 39. So here the sequence is given. So A is 15, A2 23, A3 31, A4 39. That sequence is 15, 23, 31, 39. So this sequence shows the each number coming after the succeeding preceding numbers that differs by the same amount, that is 8. So you can find the difference between 23 and 15, that is 8. Difference between 31 and 23, again 8. Difference between 39 and 31, that is again 8. So difference between the succeeding term as compared to the preceding term, that is equal in all the terms coming, the successive terms, two successive terms of the sequence. So therefore this sequence form an AP. So the given sequence of numbers form an AP, arithmetic progression. So this was the answer for the first part. Now we take the second part. So let me take first the third part first, just to make a space for the second part. The cost of digging a well after every meter of the digging, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when the cost, it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by 50 for each subsequent meters. So according to statement, the cost of digging the well for first meter and then the subsequent meter is given by sequence 150 plus 50, 150 plus 2 into 50, rupees 150 plus 3 into 50, and so on. So that is rupees 150, rupees 200, rupees 250, rupees 300, and so on. So just see, the sequence shows a regular increase in the subsequent number as compared to the preceding numbers. So each succeeding number is raised by the same amount, that is rupees 50. So here shows the subsequent number from the preceding number differ by rupees 50. So this sequence form an AP. So the given sequence of numbers form an AP, because the difference between the two successive number, that is 50. Now the second part, solution for the second part. The amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Let us suppose the amount of air present in the beginning is equal to X. Then the air present in the successive minutes or after each time by removal of 1/4 of the remaining air. So that will be the sequence of the number according to the question. According to the question, or according to the given statement, so this form the first term, that is X. So this is A. So A is equal to X. The second term will be A2 will be X minus 1/4 of X. So X is the present air and 1/4 of X is the air removed from the present air. So that comes equal to X minus X upon 4. So 4 LCM, 4X minus 1X, that is 3X upon 4. So this is the second term for the sequence. Then the A3 will be 3X upon 4, that is the present air, minus 1/4 of the 3X upon 4. So 3x upon 4 minus 3x upon 16. तो LCM is 16. So ये हो गया 12x minus 3x is equal to 9x upon 16. So the first term is x, second term is 3x upon 4, and the next term is 9x upon 4. So I am writing the three terms now. So A1 or the A is x, A2 is 3x upon 4, and A3 is 9x upon 16. Now we have to find the difference between the two successive terms, that is an plus 1 minus an. ये हमें निकालना है. तो 3x/4 minus x/1. तो 3x minus 4x, that is minus x/4. Next, so this is the first difference between the two successive terms, a2 minus a1. Next, now we take a3 minus a2, that is 9x/16 minus 3x/4. LCM is 16, so 9x minus 12x, that is minus 4x/16. That is, 12 minus 9, that is 3. So minus 3x/16. So here the difference between the two, a2 minus a1, यानी कि since a2 minus a1 not equal a3 minus a2, तो a3 minus a2 is minus 3x/16, whereas a2 minus a1 is minus x/4. So here, because the an minus an plus 1 minus an is not same for each term, since an plus 1 minus an is not same, therefore the given sequence is not an AP. Therefore the sequence of number here in this case does not form an AP. Form an AP. तो AP के लिए ज़रूरी है कि an plus 1 an plus 1 minus an, that should be always same. यहाँ पर डिफरेंस है, दो अलग अलग आया है, इसलिए ये AP नहीं बना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The next question is, write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term, that is A, and the common difference D are given as follows. First part, A is equal to 10, D is equal to 10. Second part, A is equal to minus 2, D is equal to 0. Third part, A is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 3. Fourth part, A is equal to minus 1, D is equal to 1, 1 upon 2. Fifth part, A is equal to 1.25 and D is equal to minus 0.25. So the general form of an AP when A is the first term and D is the common difference. So the AP will be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. These are the 4 terms of AP. The general representation for the first 4 terms of AP, क्योंकि हमें अब लिखा first 4 term और AP हमें लिखनी है. So in first case, putting the value of A and D, substituting value of A and D in the given statement is equal to 10. So A will be, the first term is 10. Second term, so A will be 10, so A2 will be A plus D, that is 10 plus 10, that is 20. A3, A plus 2D, A plus A की वैल्यू है 10, 2D वैल्यू 10, 10 plus 20, that is 30. A4, A plus 3D, so 10 plus 3 into 10, so 10 plus 30, that is 40. The APs, the 4 term on FA will be, so 10, 20, 30 and 40. The 4 term of the given AP is 10, 20, 30 and 40. The second part, so A is minus 2, that is the first term. Second term, A plus D, A is minus 2 plus 0, so that is minus 2. A3, A plus 2D, so minus 2 plus 2 into 0, so minus 2 plus 0, again minus 2. A4, A plus 3D, minus 2 plus 3 into 0, minus 2 plus 0 again minus 2. So AP will be the first 4 term of AP are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. Because all the terms are equal. Why? Because the D is 0. The common difference is 0, means the difference between the two successive terms is 0, means each terms are equal with the 0 common difference. Next part, third part, A will be 4, A2, A plus D, A की वैल्यू 4 और D की वैल्यू minus 3, so 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. A2, A plus 2D, so 4 plus 2 into minus 3, 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. A3, A plus 3D, sorry, A2, A3 और ये A4, फोर्थ टर्म, तो 4 plus 2 into minus 3, तो 4 plus 3 into minus 3, so 4 minus 9, that is minus 5. The first 4 terms AP are 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. These are the first 4 terms of the AP with given A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3. Fourth part, A1 is equal to minus 1, A2, A plus D, so minus 1 plus 1 upon 2, so LCM is 2, so minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 upon 2. A3, A plus 2D, so minus 1 plus 2 into 1 upon 2, तो माइनस 1 और इसको कैंसिल होगा गया प्लस 1, दैट इज 0. A4, a plus 3d minus 1 plus 3 into 1 upon 2. So minus 1 plus 3 upon 2. LCM is 2. Minus 2 plus 3. That is 1 upon 2. The first four terms are terms of AP with a is equal to 1 minus 1 and d is equal to 1 upon 2. The terms are minus 1, minus 1 upon 2, 0 and 1 upon 2. The fifth part, so A1 is 1.25, A2 A plus D 1.25, D is minus 0.25, तो ये हो गया 1.00 यानी 1. A3 A plus 2D, so 1.25 minus 2 into 0.25, so 1.25 minus 0.50, that will be 0.75. A4 A plus 3D 1.25 minus 3 into 0.25, so 1.25 minus 0.75, that is 0.50. Therefore, the first four terms of the given AP are 1.25, second is 1, 0.75 and 0.50. These are the first four terms of the given AP for A is equal to 1.25 and D is equal to, common difference is minus 0.25. Next question. The next question is, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So clearly, the first and the common difference can be find out. So from the first part, 3, given AP is 3, 1, minus 1 and minus 3. The first term is A1 is 3. So D की जो वैल्यूज होती है A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2. Here the A2 is 1 and A1 is 3. That will be minus 2. उसको हम आगे भी देख सकते हैं, minus 1, A3 is minus 1 and minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, again minus 2. So common difference here is minus 2. And the first term is 3. The first term is 3 and common difference is minus 2. In the second part, minus 5, minus 1, 3 and 7. So A1 is minus 5. The first term is minus 5. So D will be A2 minus A1. So minus 1 minus minus 5. So minus 1 plus 5, that is equal to 4. So D is 4 and A is minus 5. Third part, so AP is 1 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 9 upon 3 and 13 upon 3. So A1 any first term is 1 upon 3, the first term. The D will be A2 minus A1. A2 is 5 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. LCM 3, so 5 minus 1, that is 4 upon 3. The answer is A is equal to 1 upon 3 and D is equal to 4 upon 3. The first term is 1 upon 3 and the common difference is 4 upon 3. The fourth part, so A1 that is 0.6, that is the first term. तो ये लिखा हुआ fourth part, the first term is 0.6 and the D will be A2 minus A1. So that is 1.7 minus 0.6. So that will be 1.1. So therefore, so D is 1.1. The first term answer is first term is 0.6 and D is equal to 1.1. So that is the answer for the fourth part. The next question. Next question is which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. So I have written some questions here, some parts questions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 parts of question I have written here. The first part is the sequence given is 2, 4, 8 and 16. So A1 is 2, A2 is equal to 4, A3 is equal to 8 and A4 is equal to 16. Any 4 terms of the sequence I have written here. So we have to find the difference, common difference. So A2 minus A1. So here the difference between the 2 successive terms A2 minus A1, so 4 minus 2, that is 2. Now A3 minus A2 will be, A3 is 8 minus 4, so that is 4. Now A4 minus A3, 16 minus 8, that is 8. तो ये हुआ since A2 minus A1 not equal A3 minus A2 not equal A4 minus A3. The difference between the 2 successive terms is not the same. So here first difference is 2, next second is 4 and third is D, that A4 minus A3, that is 8. So 2 not equal 4 not equal 8, therefore the sequence is not an AP. So the given sequence 2, 4, 8, 16 does not form an AP. So 2, 4, 8 and 16 does not form an AP. Second part, the sequence given is 2, 5 upon 2, 3 and 7 upon 2. So A1 here is 2, A2 is 5 upon 2, A3 is 3, A4 is 7 upon 2. The difference A2 minus A1, 5 upon 2 minus 2 upon 1, to LCM 5 minus 4, that is 1 upon 2. Now A3 minus A2, 3 minus 5 upon 2, LCM again 2, 6 minus 5, the difference again 1 upon 2. A4 minus A3, A4 is 7 upon 2, 3 upon 1, LCM is 2, 7 minus 6, that is 1 upon 2. Since the difference here between the two successive terms again comes equal to is the same, so therefore the sequence form an AP. Therefore, the D here is equal. The difference between two successive terms is A1 upon 2. So यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ since A2 minus A1 equal A3 minus A2 equal A4 minus A3 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the common difference here is 1 upon 2, and the first term of AP is 2. So ये पहला पार्ट था, पूछा था कि इसका राइट द फर्स्ट इफ दे आर AP फाइंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस D. सो मैं फर्स्ट टर्म नहीं पूछी, मैंने लिख दी वैसे एक्स्ट्रा. तो कॉमन डिफरेंस इज 2. अब AP हमारे पास लिखिए, ये 1 2 3 4 टर्म लिखिए. अभी हमें आगे 3 टर्म्स और निकालनी है. सो नेक्स्ट 3 terms, that is A5 will be equal to A plus 4D. So A है यहाँ पर 2 और D है 1 upon 2, that will be 4 plus 2, that is 6. 4 A की जगह 2 आ गया, 4 हो गया फिफ्थ टर्म. ओके, ये थी यहाँ पर 2 into 2 कैंसिल हो गया, 2. तो 2 plus 2, ये गलती से 4 लिखा गया. सो 2 plus 2 दैट इज इक्वल टू 4. सो ये होगी फिफ्थ टर्म. नेक्स्ट A6 इज A plus 5D. A is 2, 5 into 1 upon 2, that will be 2 plus 5 upon 2, LCM is 2, 4 plus 5, 9 upon 2. And the seventh term will be A7, A plus 6D, 2 plus 6 into 1 upon 2, 2 plus 3, that is 5. So the AP given sequence was 2 upon 5. Other 3 terms are, the next 3 terms are 4, 9 upon 2 and 5. सो ये हो गया आंसर. और डी जो हमसे पूछा था वो था 1 upon 2. So difference, common difference is 1 upon 2, and the other 3 terms are, next 3 terms are 4, 9 upon 2 and 5. Next part, third part is minus 1.2, 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. So A1 here is minus 1.2, A2 is minus 3.2, A3 is minus 5.2, and A4 is minus 7.2. So D, A2 minus A1. -3.2 -1.2 -3.2 + 1.2, तो ये हो गया -2। नेक्स्ट डी A3 - A2, A3 is -5.2 -3.2, that will be -5.2 + 3.2, again -2। तो अब यहाँ देखिए कि D जो है दो केसेस में हमने देखा, निकाल के लिख दिया। सिंस A2 - A1 = A3 - A2, और दोनों बार डिफरेंस जो है -2 आया। देयरफॉर द गिवन सीक्वेंस इज एन AP। तो ये AP है, तो इसमें कॉमन डिफरेंस हुआ D आया -2। अब हमारे पास 4 टर्म दे रखी है, तो अगली 3 टर्म निकालने हैं, 5th, 6th और 7th टर्म। So D5, the next 3 terms of given AP, so A5 will be A + 4D, A is -1.24, D है -2, -1.2 -8, 7 गया -9.2, ये हो गया A5। फिक्टर A6 A + 5D, -1.2 + 5 × -2 -10, ये बन गया -11.2। एंड द A7th A + 6D, -1.2 + 6 × -2 -1.2 -12, तो -13.2। इस तरीके से नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स आई हमारे पास आंसर में। -9.2 -11.2 और -13.2, एंड द D, और D जो है आया है -2। द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज -2। और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट पार्ट है 4th। Fourth part, sequence is -10, -6, -2 and 2. So A1 here is -10, A2 is -6, A3 is -2 and A4 is 2. So D minus A2 minus A1, -6 -10, -6 + 10 = 4. D here A3 minus A2, A3 is -2 minus -6, -2 + 6, again 4. D again A4 minus A3, 2 minus -2, 2 + 2, again 4. So here, so D is, since A2 minus A1 बराबर है A3 minus A2 बराबर है A4 minus A3, एंड इज इक्वल टू 4। तो इसलिए कॉमन डिफरेंस बना is 4. So the given sequence is an AP. अब इसकी next three terms for the given AP will be A5, A plus 4D, A is minus 10, 4, D is 4, तो minus 10 plus 16 that is 6, A6, A plus 5D minus 10 plus 5 into 4 minus 10 plus 20, ये बन गया 10। A7, A plus 60 minus 10 plus 6 into 4 minus 10 plus 24 that is 14. The next three terms are 6, 10 और 14। तो ये हो गया और D है इसमें 4। So next three terms are 6, 10 and 14. Next part, next part 3 plus under root 2, 3 plus 2 under root 2, 3 plus 3 under root 2. So A1 here is 3, A2 is 3 plus under root 2, A3 is 3 plus 2 under root 2 and A4 is 3 plus 3 under root 3. इसका मतलब A हो गया 0 under root 2. So 0 under root 2, 1 under root 2, 2 under root 2, 3 under root 2. So A2 minus A1 will be 3 plus 1 under root 2 minus 3 plus 0 under root 2. तो इस तरीके से आ गया ये 3 में से 3 गया 0, तो इसलिए आ गया 1 under root 2, ये आ गया डिफरेंस। नेक्स्ट A3 minus A2, A3 is 3 plus 2 under root 2 minus 3 plus 1 under root 2, तो 3 plus 2 under root 2 minus 3 minus 1 under root 2, तो इस तरीके से अगेन अंडर रूट 2 ये कैंसिल हो गया, इसमें से माइनस होकर 1 under root 2 आ गया। सो अगेन A3, सो A4 minus A3, सो 3 plus 3 under root 2 minus 3 plus 2 under root 2, 3 plus 3 under root 2 minus 3 minus 2 under root 2 again under root 2. अब सिंस डिफरेंस जो है तीनों जगह एक जैसा है, तो सिंस A2 माइनस A1 बराबर है A3 माइनस A2 बराबर है A4 माइनस A3, हर बार डिफरेंस आया है अंडर रूट 2। Therefore the given sequence in AP, the given sequence here, ये सीक्वेंस दे रखा था, that is an AP and the common difference is अंडर रूट 2। अब हमें निकालने हैं तीन टर्म और A5, A6 और A7। So A5, A plus 4D, so A is 3 plus 4 under root 2, तो ये डिफरेंस है, डी है √2, A6 A प्लस 5D, सो 3 प्लस 5 √2, A7 A प्लस 6D, 3 प्लस 602। इस तरह से ये बन गई 3 मोर टर्म्स आ गई, 3 प्लस 402, 3 प्लस 502 एंड 3 प्लस 602। These are the 3 more terms of the given AP. Next part is A2, A square, A cube, A4. So A1 is A, A2 is A square, A3 is A cube, A4 is A की power 4. The difference A2 minus A1. A2 is A square minus A. So A common, तो A plus A minus 1, ये difference है. Next is A3 minus A2. A3 is A cube और A2 is A square. A square common, A minus 1. Next D, डिफरेंस जो है A4 माइनस A3. A4 इज A की पावर 4 माइनस A की पावर 3. द कॉमन इज A3 A माइनस 1. अब डिफरेंस जो है A2 माइनस A1, यहाँ लिखेंगे सिंस A2 माइनस A1 नॉट इक्वल A3 माइनस A2 नॉट इक्वल A4 माइनस A3. So therefore the given sequence is not an AP. तो ये जो है सीक्वेंस AP नहीं है. The given sequence is not an AP. तो जो सीक्वेंस दे रखा था A square, A cube, A4, that doesn't form an AP. Seventh part, √2, √8, √18, √32. A1 is √2, A2 is √8. √8 is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 और ये हो गया 1 √2. A3 √18, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 4, नहीं, ये बनेगा 2 into 3 into 3, 18 बन गया. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 2 18, तो बन गया 3 √2. A4 32 √32, तो 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 2. 2 गुणा 2 4, 2 8, 2 16, 2 32. तो ये इसके पेयर हो गए. 2 into 2 पेयर √2, दैट इज 4 √2. तो A1 इज 1 √2, A2 इज 2 √2 एंड A3 इज 3 √2 एंड A4 इज 4 √2. तो इस तरीके से A2 माइनस A1 हो गया 2 √2 माइनस 1 √2, √2 कॉमन, तो हो गया 2 minus 1, that is 1 √2. Next is A3 minus A2, 3 √2 minus 2 √2, √2 common, 3 minus 2, 1 √2. A4 minus A3, 3 A4 is 4 √2. 4 अंडर रूट 2 माइनस 3 अंडर रूट 2 कॉमन, 4 माइनस 3 1 अंडर रूट 2। अब देखिए a2 माइनस a1 इज 1 अंडर रूट 2, a3 माइनस अंडर रूट 2 इज 1 अंडर रूट 2 and a4 minus a3 is 1 under 2. Since the difference here is same, since a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3 is 1 under root 2. So therefore the sequence is an AP. The given sequence is an AP. और कॉमन डिफरेंस हुआ इसमें अंडर रूट 2, दैट इज अ कॉमन डिफरेंस, डी इज अंडर रूट 2। अब हमें निकालने a5 a प्लस 4d, तो a इज अंडर रूट 2 प्लस 4 d इज अंडर रूट 2, तो ये बन गया 5 अंडर रूट 2। और इसको अगर हम ऐसे करें 5 इंटू 5 इंटू 2, वो बन जाएगा 50 अंडर रूट 50। जो हमने अंडर रूट से पहले लिखा था उसे हम इसके अंडर रूट के नीचे करेंगे, तो इसका जो पेयर हमने बाहर पेयर से एक 5 निकाला था तो वह नीचे आ जाएगा रेडिकल साइन के नीचे, तो बन जाएगा पेयर ऑफ 5 इंटू 5 और बन गया 50 अंडर रूट। सो a6 इज a प्लस 5d, सो a इज अंडर रूट 2 5 अंडर रूट 2, तो ये बन गया 6 अंडर रूट 2, तो 6 इंटू 6 इंटू 2 72 under root 72, and the a7 is a plus 6d under root 2 plus 6 under root 2, तो 7 under root 2, तो 7 into 7 into 2, 4 into 7 into 7 49 into 2 98 under root 98. The three more terms I of AP, and A5 is under root 50, second is under root 72, and next is under root 98. हमें दे रखी थी अंडर रूट 2 अंडर रूट 8 18 अंडर रूट 32, उससे नेक्स्ट आई 50 अंडर रूट 72 अंडर रूट और 98। नेक्स्ट इज next sequence is 8th part under root 3 under root 6 under root 9 under root 12. A1 is under root 3, A2 is under root 6, A3 is under root 9, तो ये बन गया अंडर रूट 3 इंटू 1, ये हो गया अंडर रूट 2 इज 2 इंटू 3 अंडर रूट 3 इंटू 3, और A4 जो है वो है अंडर रूट 12, सो 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 2, तो बन गया 4 2 अंडर रूट 3, तो ये बना 1 अंडर रूट 3, ये बना अंडर रूट 2 इंटू अंडर रूट 3, A1 is 1 under root 3, A2 is under root 2 into under root 3, A3 is under root 3 into under root 3, and A4 is 2 into, अगर इसे हम अंडर रूट के फॉर्म में ही लिखे तो वो बनेगा, इसको अगर हम पेयर को बाहर ना निकाले तो हो गया अंडर रूट 3 इंटू अंडर रूट 4, अब हमें ये देखना है कि इसका डिफरेंस कितना आएगा। सो A2 माइनस A1 बराबर बनेगा √2 इंटू √3 माइनस √3, कॉमन हो गया √3, तो ब्रैकेट में आ गया √2 माइनस 1। नाउ A3 माइनस A2, A3 is √3 into √3 माइनस √2 इंटू √3, तो कॉमन हो गया √3, तो ब्रैकेट में √3 माइनस √2। A4 माइनस A3, A4 is √3 into √4 माइनस √3 इंटू √3, कॉमन √3 √4 माइनस √3। अब देखिए √3 A2 माइनस A1 आता है √3 कॉमन √2 माइनस 1। अब तीनों जगह तीनों डिफरेंस में डिफरेंस जो है एक जैसा नहीं है। अब हम लिखेंगे सिंस A2 माइनस A1 नॉट इक्वल A3 माइनस A2 नॉट इक्वल A4 माइनस A3। सो देयरफॉर द गिवन सीक्वेंस, यानी ये जो दे रखा था, इज नॉट एन AP नहीं है। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट पार्ट, square of 1, square of 3, square of 5 and square of 7. A1 is square of 1, that is 1 into 1, 1. A2 is square of 3. So 3 into 3, 9. A3 is square of 5. So 5 into 5, 25. A4 is square of 7. So 7 to 7, 49. अब डिफरेंस A2 माइनस A1, 9 माइनस 1 वाया 8। A3 माइनस A2, A3 is 25 minus 9 via 16. Now A4 minus A3, A4 is 49 और A3 is 25, डिफरेंस है 24। तो सिंस A2 माइनस A1 नॉट इक्वल A3 माइनस A2 नॉट इक्वल A4 माइनस A3, से देयरफॉर कि जो दे रखा था सीक्वेंस दैट इज़ नॉट एन AP। देयरफॉर स्क्वायर ऑफ 1, स्क्वायर ऑफ 3, स्क्वायर ऑफ 5, स्क्वायर ऑफ 7 डजंट फॉर्म एन AP। तो AP नहीं है। नेक्स्ट पार्ट, 10th पार्ट। तो given sequence is square of 1, square of 5, square of 7 and 73. So A1 is square of 1, that is 1 into 1. So A2 is square of 5, 5 into 5, 25. A3 is square of 7, 7 to 7, 49. And A4 is 73. So now we have to find the difference. A2 minus A1, 25 minus 1, that is 24. A3 minus A2, A3 is 49 minus 25, that is again 24. Now A4 minus A3, 73 minus 49, again 24. So since A2 minus A1 equal A3 minus A2 equal A4 minus A3, हर बार कितना डिफरेंस आया है? 24. सो देयरफॉर ये जो सीक्वेंस था, देयरफॉर स्क्वायर ऑफ 1, स्क्वायर ऑफ 5, स्क्वायर ऑफ 7 and 73 form an AP. अब इसमें D है, कॉमन डिफरेंस है 24. द कॉमन डिफरेंस फॉर दिस AP इज 24. अब हमें निकालने हैं 3 मोर टर्म और 3 more terms, that is A5, A plus 4D, तो A था 1, 4, D था 24, तो ये बन गया 1 plus 96, 97, A6, A plus 5D, A is 1 plus 5 into 24, 1 plus 120, यह बन गया 121. A7, A plus 60, 1 plus 6 into 24, so 1 plus 144, 145. So 3 more terms, and A5, A6 और A7 हुई. So 3 more term for the AP are 97, 121 and 145 और D हमने निकाला था 24. तो ये हुआ इसका क्वेश्चन का आंसर. So I have given you solutions for some questions from this exercise. So I request you to go through the video and share, like the video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the new observer of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.